Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Karisma and I'm from Indonesia. In this video, we're gonna talk about authentication with dummy JSON API. As you can see here, there is a login API. You can put username and password and then it will return the result like this. You have a username, email, blah blah blah, and then token and refresh token. We can also get the current user out with this API by just put the token inside here, and then you will get a fully data of the user. And there is also refresh token API that we can use this for the project, and then the result, it will be like this. There is a token and refresh token. So we can implement it with Redux and React Authentication for saving storage, and then we can do best implementation for it. So without any further ado, let's get started. Before we jump into the real code, I'm gonna show you how the architecture that we will doing in our apps. So this is the splash screen. And then on the splash screen, we will check if user is login or if not login. So we're going to if user login first. So check the token on the secure storage, which is on the React Authentication. If the token is valid, hit the refresh token, and then save the new token on the refresh token, and then it will hit the user profile API, and then the profile, it will save into the Redux. After that, it will navigate to the main app. But if user is not login or the token is not valid or not token, it will navigate to the login screen. It will check if the login is valid. It will send the alert error. But if login succeeds, it will save the token and refresh token into the secure storage, and then add validation request on the Axios interceptor. After that, add validation response on the Axios interceptor. And then we can hit the user profile API, and then the same flow with the login. So this is what we're going to do in this project. Let's jump into the code. In this video, I already set up for screen, routes, Redux, asset, and API. I'm gonna show you. This is for the API. This is Redux. Inside Redux we have action. I'm gonna delete this one also. Yep. We have entity. This is user detail, and then we have reducer that we have to set up later. And then we have slice. This is slice, and then this function dispatchable. You can just have a look. I already put a link GitHub on the description, so you can have a look later. So let's start to fix our reducer first. We have user set user state user state action payload action user state user detail, sorry, and then just this one. So now we already set up for our reducer, and now we jump to the action. So this is function for a login. So we have user login function and then dispatchable. This one is for put our data into Redux. You can just have a look and then watch and follow what I'm doing here. So what we're gonna do is put the token to the secure storage. How we can implement it? We can just put import all as keychain from React Authentication. Press save, and then we can just put on this one. Wait, keychain, set generic password. This one we have to put token, and yeah, copy this one, refresh token, refresh token. Yep, and then we can put dispatch action dot user set users. We can put get user detail data. Yep, press save. Now we can close this and then back to login screen. We can just simply put async right here, and then const result. Oh wait, user login. We have to import it from user action, and then if result dot success. Let's have a look this one. Yep, if result dot success, set them return alert dot alert error result dot error. Yep, and then put set loading false. Yep, now we have a function for handle sign in. Now let's test it out. We can put a username. Yeah, Emily's. I think we have to put lowercase. To lowercase right here to make sure. Emily's pass sign in. Yep, now we have success for the login without any error. Before we jump into Axios Interceptor, so I put some mistake inside the action for React notification. So for the refresh token, it should be lowercase refresh token, and then I have to put service and refresh token. Yep, just like this. Let's create a function for set up our token, refresh token, get token, and etc. Go to the utils and then create a folder, token storage.ts, and then we can import all from as keychain from React notification, and then create export const get token async const credentials equal await keychain the direct password. If not credential, return null, return credentials dot password. Yep, export const get refresh token async and const credentials await keychain the generic password service is refresh token. If we can just copy this function. Yep. And then we could export const save token to storage async we need to put two params. First is token and the second one is refresh token. Token is string and refresh token is string as well. So await keychain blah blah blah, like this one. Await keychain set password reverse token, and then we can just put service refresh token. Yep. Now we create export const remove token async try catch. If error, just return success false, and then await keychain dot reset generic password. Await keychain dot reset generic password as well, but put service refresh token, and then return success true. Yep, now we already set up for our token storage. Yeah, don't forget to export all from token storage. Yep, we have finished for token storage. Now we have to set up our Axios interceptor. Let's set up our Axios interceptor. Go to the API and then instance. On the bottom we can create function const refresh token async const refresh token from storage or keychain. We can put name everything. Await get refresh token from utils. Try catch. Blah blah blah, return no, and const response await axios.post https //damageson/refresh, and then we can put params token is refresh token from keychain. For the error, just throw error. And we can return response.data.refresh token. Yep, press save, and then on the bottom, instance.interceptor.request. We have to set up for our Axios interceptor request. Oh yeah, we have to put use async config const token await get token if token, and then if config.headers blah blah. Yep, this one. Press save and return config. Now we have to set up our interceptor in the instance dot interceptors dot response dot use response, return response, and async error. Press save, and then const original request equal error.config if error.response status equal 401 and there is no original request dot retry, you can just original request dot underscore retry equal true and try catch, put try catch function, and inside here just return promise dot reject. We can just put press error. Yep, this one, and then on this section return promise reject error from this one. Let's get const new token await refresh token from this function, and then you can put instance dot default dot headers dot common dot authorization equal backtick bearer new token. Press save, and then original request dot headers dot authorization bearer new token. Yep, we have finished set up our Axios interceptor instance and refresh token here. So every time we are hit the API request, we will put config headers, and then every time we get the response, it will check if the error response is 401, and then it will get a refresh token, blah blah blah. Yeah, something like this. Now we have to set up our splash screen for checking every time we open the apps, it will get a new token, and every time we open the apps, it will hit the refresh token. How we can implement that? First, go into Redux and then user action. I think we can just remove this one to save token to storage. Wait, save token to storage, and token is data.token. Yep, this one. We can just remove this, and also this one. Yep, it make more cleaner. Yeah, now we have to create export const refresh token. The first thing we have to do is maybe we can just copy this one and we don't need to put any params right here. For this one, just return success false. Yep, we can just create this one first. Const token get token const refresh token. I think we can just copy here to make more this one, and then add variation here. If no, token from keychain return success false, and then we can just remove yeah, and then back to our instance, copy this, const response Axios. Yeah, I think we don't need to put that. We can just, instead of that, we can just use instance. Oh wait, instance, right, like this. And this one is a refresh. Change the refresh, and for the body token is refresh token from keychain. Press save. Const status response the data. The data as well. Yep. Yep, I think this one is ready for our splash screen. Okay, now we are going to the splash screen itself. Go to the home screen, splash screen. Before that, we only have setup validation like this. Const check storage async handle token, maybe const result equal await refresh token. If result dot success not success, we can just return set timeout. Maybe we can just uncomment this one. And return set timeout, and let's see, where is this one? Home screen. Actually, we don't need to put any set timeout this one, but you can use anything. Handle token. All right, now we press save. Let's back into this one. Try to sign in, and then it will get home, and then if you are refresh, it will go into the out project, check token. Wow, there is something wrong in here. Let's have a look. Yep, finally I found the error. So you can go back to the instance and then change. So there is some mistakes on this one. You can change to refresh token and press save, and then go to the user action. We also need set up this one. So also this one, before that there is a response.data. We can just remove data like this, and then now we can try again. Logout, sign in, and then refresh. Yep, now it's working fine. Now for the last part, let's create a function for logout. Let's go to the Redux and then user action, and then export const user logout. I think we can just copy it from this one. Yep, and then go to the Redux itself, and then add or no, and we can just delete all of this and then create a function, await, call the function from the utils, token storage, remove storage, because there is no parameters right here. I think we can just still use try catch. Return success false and await result cons result, await remove token if result that's success. We can just copy this one and then change into null and then return success true. Yep, copy this one and then go to the screen, home screen, and we can just cons user logout async, await cons result handle user logout. Yeah, because there is no parameter, if not result that success. Yeah, forgot to add. Wait, result that success. Just return alert error file to logout and then just copy this one. Oh, we already have the function, so we can just delete this one. Yep, and then back to this one, logout, try to refresh again. Yep, it should be navigate to the out project. Try sign in and then refresh. Yep, all the functions are working. So this is the fully functional of authentication using dummy JSON API. So yeah, this is the best thing that we can do with all the API. If you have any question, you can feel free to comment below, or you can just send me on email, or you can send me email. I put my email on description. I also put the fully code on the description so you can have a look later. So yeah, that's it. I think I'm gonna create a new video for very soon, but not sure yet because I'm quite busy for doing my job. So yeah, see you on the next video. Bye bye.